Everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to pair your Galaxy Buds Pro to an Android device. To get started, you're going to need your Buds and an Android device. Sweet. Now that we've got both of those, you could either download the Galaxy Wearable app or go through your settings. I highly recommend getting the app, just as it'll help optimize your buds to utilize all the features that they provide so that you have the best listening experience. So I'll go ahead and start a phone recording for you guys. So to get started, we'll go ahead and open up the buds and then go ahead and open up our app, hit start, and it'll automatically scan and find the device. Here we have a few around us, so once we see it pop up, there we go, we got the buds. Simply press on the buds and it should start connecting. Go ahead and hit OK on the pairing request. Go ahead and hit continue and you should be done. Yep, there we go. And so here is where you'll find, if say you have an update, it'll pop up right under the Galaxy Buds Pros. You can do a little tips. It'll show you kind of how to work the buds and whatnot. Turn on your noise cancellation, and then here's all your settings here for whatever you might want to do to help utilize for the best listening experience. Pretty simple, easy. Again, you could also just do this through your Bluetooth settings. And if you're having any connection issues, just make sure that just swipe down your device and make sure that your Bluetooth is on. When it's glowing kind of blue right here, as we see, it's on. In this state, it'd be off. So just make sure you got that blue glowing and it should be able to connect. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. We do our best to reply to all you guys' comments and answer all your questions. If you need any tools or parts for some other devices, check our website. We sell lots of parts and tools to fix most of your devices, perhaps even these. So yeah, check it out. Give us a follow, like. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and this was a helpful video, and have a phenomenal rest of your day.